Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how many cable and plug in the Nissan Murano 2011 and 2014, and this is the premium Nissan Murano 2011 with those premium Bose sound system and with the top LCD touchscreen, with the setup navigation. So we already removed the bottom and the top part, which you can look at the other two video in our YouTube channel system. Now we're looking down here with the bottom CD player module that we just put it down, and showing up all the cable behind the modules. Okay, so we can start counting. It has one big white cable at the bottom here. Okay, very big one, and another 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one antenna, I believe, and or they are cable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is the 7 cable behind the bottom CD player and radio units. And on the top there's only one. Okay, on the top LCD screen there's only one white cable like this. So that's about the total number of the cable inside a Nissan Murano 2011, the premium version with the Bose sound system. So we are doing the upgrade of the 7-inch full setup for this car. So stay tuned, and see you soon in another one.